the X-ray, the CT scan, DNA sequencing. Throughout history, these revolutionary inventions propelled medical advancements into new paradigms for the field of science and medicine. They emerged as disruptive technologies that transform the ability to improve our health and longevity. BEMER is the latest disruptive technology in medical science that is changing the way we think about our health, challenging our understanding of the human body, and empowering us to reach optimal physical condition in a natural, non-invasive way. Heart disease, obesity, and diabetes remain among the top national health issues. We're amidst a growing opioid epidemic. Now it's more crucial than ever to discover holistic and non-invasive health solutions. Blood circulation plays a vital role in the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your cells, and medical professionals are just scratching the surface of ways to naturally optimize blood flow to support our health.
As a cardiologist, obviously I use technology to help in diagnosis and management and treatment of diseases. Technology has helped us along the way in evaluating heart function non-invasively with echocardiography, ultrasounds of the heart, angiography. But then the key is that the final common pathway of that circulation from coronary arteries is the microcirculation. And so as we age, the microcirculation plugs up. And so keeping the microcirculation open is key as the final common delivery of oxygen and nutrients to every cell, including the heart.
Circulation is the utmost importance because when you have an injury, scar tissue, inflammation, they all impede blood flow. And if we can do any sort of modality to increase blood flow to the tissue, then the body can actually heal it up. What we've seen with the PMF technology is we've seen increased blood flow to the tissue. This allows muscles to recover faster, get stronger. It allows scar tissue to remodel and heal, and allows injuries in general just to improve faster. This allows more normal function, more normal structure, and allows the athlete to get back to their sport as fast as possible.
So, what are pulsed electromagnetic fields, or PEMF devices? They are devices that produce electromagnetic fields with unique waveforms and frequencies to optimize the body's natural functions. BEMER has a 20-year head start in the development of a patented wave signal that benefits the microcirculatory system, which is the cornerstone of human health. BEMER is the only PEMF device designed specifically to target the microcirculatory system. This revolutionary product, which holds multiple patents and published medical papers, is an FDA-registered consumer medical device. BEMER is used in hospitals, clinics, and homes around the world, with more than 1 million satisfied users. Even top-level athletes are calling it their secret weapon. BEMER stands for Bioelectromagnetic Energy Regulation. This device uses a patented pulsed electromagnetic field to deliver a biorhythmically defined therapeutic signal. As this unique signal travels through the body, it supports the impaired pumping movements, known as vasomotion, for the smallest vessels to promote the distribution of blood. This results in better disbursement of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body while eliminating waste. All of this delivered in a non-invasive manner.
Within the body, blood is the universal means to transport materials throughout, from the macro level all the way to the micro level. BEMER is a very unique technology in that it focuses through a biorhythmically defined stimulus on these microvessels, stimulating what's known as vasomotion or vasomotor function to enhance microcirculation, not just locally, but systemically. It's only then that we can experience good health. If you have dysfunctional circulation, there's no chance that your body can receive the nutrients as well as oxygen that it needs and clear the waste products that each cell needs to clear before it can optimally function. Simply put, BEMER helps the body do what it already does naturally.
The real power of BEMER is in its ease of use. Using BEMER requires no change in daily behavior and requires as little as 8 minutes twice a day to reap the full benefits of its unique patented signal. The device is powered by the B-Box, an easy-to-use touchscreen monitor that activates the wave signal technology. It comes preset with a variety of programs to use with the B-Body, a mat engineered with coils inside that deliver the wave signals in a patented rhythm and frequency throughout the body. It's all part of the Pro Set, which also comes with the B-Light, the B-Pad, and the B-Spot to target different areas of the body. BEMER is grounded in scientific and medical research. BEMER is the most effective and widely researched physical therapy method available today.
In my practice, with trying to use the most natural of healing with the most scientifically advanced healing, BEMER is a perfect fit. The way I think about it is if I can improve microcirculation and improve the delivery of oxygen and nutrients and remove waste products, who knows what the body can do? Then we unleash the body's natural ability to heal itself, and patients benefit from that in a variety of ways.
Everybody needs to increase their circulation. Everybody wants to feel better. And at being 73, I wanted to feel better. So I do the circulation. My circulation is better. I have more energy, and I'm grateful for all of it. I would recommend a BEMER for anybody and everybody.
So, what are the health benefits of BEMER? BEMER can enhance general blood flow and circulation, delivery of nutrition and oxygen to your cells, sleep management, increased physical fitness and endurance, muscle stimulation, stress reduction and relaxation. The physiology of the human body is the phenomenon. BEMER simply helps the body do what it already does naturally. BEMER. Improve your circulation, improve your health, improve your life.